I have been helping people craft their own skills into courses and training programs and helping them make lots of money. Welcome back. It's Anthony Scott. Guys, I want to tell you right now that when I went through college, I tell you, it was $50,000 in debt. It was 4 years of just bullshit. I believe you do not need college to be successful. I think it is so important for businesses to add an additional revenue stream so you can literally make money while you sleep. You can wake up to money. And if this sounds impossible, it is absolutely not. So, and for all those who are interested in joining my academy, just book a call. Let's talk. And this just goes to show you can take any skill, craft it into a really unique offer and add that to your business. So, what's an extra 3, 6, 10K? And we help you craft your offer and we help you go to market and we give you the strategies that I didn't have, that I wasn't being taught while I was in college. And it's so critical how easy it is. And right now, one of my most recent successes is a stay-at-home mom. She's a life coach. She already has years of experience. And this just goes to show you can take any skill, craft it into a really unique offer and add that to your business. So, what's an extra 3, 6, 10K? Learn the handful of things that you could do to change within the next month versus continue the next few years of your life trying to figure out, hey, how can I get paid? How can I add another 6-figure revenue stream to my business? Hey, how can I make an extra $5,000 a month? How can I do, whatever the goal is, we want to work with you. We want to take your skills and craft it into a very easy, irresistible offer. And then we're going to help you with our secret marketing strategies and our just secret growth tactics, something that's literally not taught anywhere else. It's definitely not taught in college. And even to this day, I have a friend just graduated at a state university, still didn't teach this. I let him in a little bit behind the scenes on Basic to Boss, the course that we sell. He got in there, he saw it, and he's like, are you kidding me? He's like, it's this easy, but I just didn't know what to look. I didn't know how to use this. I didn't know the value of using this one thing. And it's like this one thing could make or break you. And I don't want you to struggle. I would love for you to struggle less. But in order to go out there and create a profitable course business, the point is people believe you do not need college to be successful. I am definitely one of them. And I went through college all to be $50,000 in debt, like I say, 4 years. And hey, while I believe college is great surface level skill set, it's more geared for the professional context. And while I'm thankful for that to this day, but it wouldn't have hinged completely on my success, whether I had went to college or not. As a matter of fact, I created the program Basic to Boss, and then I offer the Basic to Boss Academy as our high ticket. And I'm very upfront about that because I wanted a way for you to learn how you could take your business and add another revenue stream, how you could just not even have a business and take your skills and add another revenue stream and something so you don't have to feel like you're a slave to it, and that you don't have to just put all these hours and all this time in and just, worry about where the next dollar is coming from. I want to help you create something that is worth your time. That is what I created. The Basic to Boss program, I can't even say it enough, is made completely from, it was forged in almost failure, So imagine me coming out of college. I'm a growth marketer, and I like to grow businesses, and I like to create content, and I like to run ads, and I like to find out what is working at different stages. And then I like to apply different techniques that I don't see being used in the industry, but that work. And they work so good. I've literally been able to build my own business on this. So what's really awesome here is that you can come through, you can craft your offer, and you can be profitable quickly. And then for the business owners that I've actually noticed that are buying this, just to have elite access to all the latest and greatest and the strategies that I'm using to grow other businesses, and they're able to be profitable in a short amount of time. And so, it's just really how are you really going to, if you do not have a sustainable revenue stream coming in, if we do not show you how that you can change your life in as little as 30 days if you take more action, get on and we give you more customized help there. That's where we can help you more. When you do it for yourself, it's 10 times harder to create a sustainable business without the guidance. Because even for me going to pricing and then just being no, why would I just have a low ticket? At the same time, I wanted to make the same knowledge that is not even taught in college, knowledge in college knowledge, not taught in college, affordable for people that was at my stage when I wanted to go out and be profitable and I wanted to go out there and just start selling and started making a few extra $1,000s a month and then turn it into a wildly profitable business, which I've been able to do. I really want to give these results to you. I know that you can do it. We want to help you craft your offer. We want to help you identify who it's for. We want to teach you our marketing secrets that is made to sell. We want you to be successful. So if I've been able to do this at a short amount of time out of college and have these results within my business, within my training programs and courses that I sell, this is absolutely lethal. I don't know what else to call it, but the results are real and the mission is simple. Get profitable, get paid in a business you love. So guys, until then, I want to see you guys create that additional revenue stream that you can rely on, that's dependable, and that is not going to be hurting any type of business or economy that we live in. And for all those who are interested in joining my academy, just book a call. Let's talk. But for right now, go out there and crush it.